Hey guys, this is TVW563 along with and
East Melbourne WX.
And as pictured here, we are going to do an unboxing of my WX200, not a WX150. So yeah, I'm happy. Funny. And so yeah, it's 8 a.m. I'm tired. I came back from Washington D.C. So let's do this. Alrighty. I like this radio. These are one of the few weather radios that have bilingual options, and also it actually advertises in English and Spanish, which is really cool. Alrighty.
Wait, that's brand new in box, right?
It's brand new.
Oh, hopefully that thing doesn't have what my WX150 had with the stupid screen thing was so bad. We had UV gone to get it off, and they ended up scratching the screen.
Wait, what?
How long?
He tried taking the thing off, and it just broke into pieces.
Well, no, it was like glued because of how old it is, and it was new in box, and it was baked on like the screen protection thing was baked on the screen. I was able to peel some of it off, and then it ended up using glue on, and now it's scratched. It's off, but it's scratched.
Oh, and our safety's here. And he left.
Oh, well, that was a cameo by road safety.
Okay then. Oh yeah, I forgot. The antenna's detachable.
Yeah.
On that thing it is.
Haha.
It's literally almost the exact same thing as the 150. There is a difference, but not by much.
Oh my god, this thing is fat and huge. The
See, that's why I actually get an alternate pitch 150, so it actually sounds different.
How do you know it's alternate pitch?
You don't. Unless someone lists it and like it goes to the market and they know it's an alternate pitch.
Aren't those like really rare?
They're pretty rare, I think.
And I think some of them actually, I think the alternate pitch one's activated on the second header, I've heard. No?
Right,
Are you sure? I've heard videos of that happening.
Well, I mean, you've heard of things activated on the second header. But then again, if you remember, your recon activated on the second header.
I've heard running snails activate on the second header. Also, the FS600 activates on the second header. Oh, wait.
This is an interesting manual. And also, yay, these batteries are rechargeable. Alright, let's take the cover off.
They've been the same company as the WX, so they would do that.
Yep.
And my smoke alarms.
Yeah. Yeah.
Not yours, stupid. I mean, you.
Shut up. Bruh.
You didn't have to mention that, bro.
Okay.
I did.
Pushing all the buttons to wish it good luck in service.
Oh, yeah. Oh, shoot. I should have done that with my Pro 136.
Oh yeah, you're right. East Melbourne, I don't understand what's wrong with you. East Melbourne, I just got the screen protector off like really fast. That was your WX150.
East Melbourne, yours was probably sitting in the sun for a period of time.
Well, yeah, it must have been, depending on when the person buying it and where they kept it and placed it. Because we didn't keep it in heat when we had it here. We've only had it here for...
Maybe they put it in their attic, and they have an attic window, and the sun shined on it.
Probably, because it was baked on, and I don't really care because it's still brand new in box, and there's a minor scratch, but it's fine. It works.
I'm gonna take care of this radio. Now, the bigger question is, it's got like this little wrap around it to protect it, I think. Oh wait, no, I don't think that, no.
AC to the 7 went off at 4 a.m.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I forgot you can mount this thing on the wall. Directly with no mounting bracket. That's nice. There is the switch to charge. Okay, so we got that. Now, let's get this. Ooh, wow, this is a really weird antenna connector. This is a really weird antenna connector. I do not like this. You have to screw it on. I wonder why they did that. I don't know, maybe it's to improve reception or something. This is annoying. Alright, well, I got the antenna on. And then your phone keeps going off, Roman. What the f...
Yeah.
And you were saying I was loud.
No, you don't. Your mic like ear ring.
Is that better?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Alrighty. So, I got the power adapter on, I got the antenna on, so now all we need to do is plug this in. Alrighty. We're gonna plug it in. In 3, 2, 1. Nice. Nice. Okay. Also, are there any switches on the side just to make sure? Because I messed up last time. Let's go into our menu. Oh, we have to hold the menu. Alert mode. Okay, got that. Okay. Set channel. Bruh. Okay, save. Listen. Oh, it won't let me. County code. Yeah, it does. Okay, that's all. That's fine because it's on all regions. Oops, hold on, I messed up. Yeah. Hold on. I need to go through the menu. Oh, okay. All the alerts are turned off. What the hell?
Yeah, most of them are turned off.
Wait. You can disable flash flood warning. It said flash flood warning.
You can on a lot of radios.
Ah. Okay, press save. Okay, now let's press and hold again because I don't know how to do this. Okay, alert mode. Siren mode. Oh. Wait. Nope. Okay. I screwed this up. Okay, alert mode. Siren mode. Add alerts. I'll do that later. Okay, so. Yeah. Alright, ready? Siren test.
Oh, wait, hold on. Okay, I'm ready.
Here we go. Wait, bruh. Nice. Oh, there you go. Now you can set the siren volume. Set date and time. Bruh. I keep screwing this up. Oh yeah, wow. Oh my gosh, this thing's got a lot. Oh yeah, this is one of the few radios that you can set the buttons. The button beeps. It is 6th of May.
Why should you be not upload this song?
Bruh.
I'm not gonna lie, you can get really bad with uploading it.
Hmm?
Like, what happened to your 211679 as well?
Oh yeah.
Other things.
The program will work to find it.
Alrighty. That's gonna conclude the unboxing of my first alert WX200 I was along with. And, okay.
Yeah.
I screwed that up again. Okay, East Melbourne WX. Anyway, bye.